So I'm just removing the, what do you call it? Bloody touring seat backrest system. The touring seat clips onto there. So you gotta take all this shit off. There you go. That's looking alright, eh? Alright, sweet. I'll give that a bit of a polish before I put the plate on. So this new solar seat, we'll just screw into those. And then this will go there, like that. Yeah, that's going to look very cool. Too bad. That looks better, eh? I'll just hit it with the Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. Good shit, this. Look at that shine. You see the metallic through it. Bloody good stuff. So in the packet you get a rubber washer, that steel washer, and a bolt. So there's no instructions, of course, but I'm thinking it sort of makes sense to put the rubbers on underneath here. Well, that's what I'm going to do anyway. Could be wrong. Oh, trial and error. Okay, I've got them on. Just got to tighten up the nuts or the bolts. And it should be sweet. Alright, that's it. Finished. Bloody good stuff. Yeah, I like it. Now the rack will fit. I'll put that on another day. Okay, I've put the back rack on. It's pretty easy, you just got to unbolt. Well, if you didn't have the pannier rack, you wouldn't have to unbolt that, but I'd unbolt this. Just put it in there, it just goes in those two bolts. I don't know if you can see that. And that's pretty much it. I don't love the look of it now with the back rack on. Since I put the solo seat finisher on and the solo seat, I reckon it'll look great without the back rack. But the whole point of getting the solo seat and the finisher was so I could have a back rack. So there lies the problem, eh? But anyway, I may take it back off one day and just keep that look, because I do like that look. I'll show you what it looks like with the shad back box on it. I've already put the plate on, so I'll show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like with the panniers on and the back box. But the great thing is, look at that. Now, when I go places, I don't have to walk around carrying my helmet. Hey, great. Bloody good.